The Bohannon House circa 1743, also known as the Hurricane House, beautiful historic home located in downtown Mathews on Main Street. If you have ever dreamed of living in one of the first homes in Virginia, this is it. Beautiful really wide heart pine floors, great hall and great size parlor, folding doors to formal dining room. Doors rarely seen, and large room with 2 fireplaces used for social occasions, dining and dancing. The home needs some updates, so proceed with caution. Slate roof is compromised. Has an English basement. Too much to list here. If you are looking for a historic fixer-upper, this is it. Stunning home. Call to show. Visit our office for keys, close by.